All right, guys, so hopefully you can hear me just fine. Somebody just, either they're buying that's a Ferrari. That's a Ferrari over there. See a Ferrari over there? Either somebody's buying that, or I can put it too close to my face. Or they're dropping it off. I can't tell. But I'm at Viper Exchange and I'm picking up my car. Finally, these guys knocked it out in no time. Morgan and Andy really took care of me. So what was wrong with it was pretty major, and I don't really want to say what it was, but guys, we need to have a talk. One thing that a lot of people don't think about when they're looking, when you modify your car, especially a lot of guys like me, man, look at how my car is shining. Andy had it cleaned up and it's just immaculate. I can't stop smiling. But one of the things that some of the newbies out there like myself, because I'm a newbie, I was never into like modified cars and stuff like that. Not like this, you know. I'm modified for appearance, but not for performance. And now Mr. Uzumaki is more into performance. So I just got a quick lesson from Andy about how to drive my Hellcat. And for me, since I have a manual, it's a little different than some folks with automatics, but you still should be aware, especially if your transmission hadn't been tuned, if you have an automatic, of what you should and should not do. Now, Andy and the guys, they go to the racetrack all the time. And I'm going to say it like this. You really should get some lessons, you know, if you can. If you can't get any lessons, you should really talk to your mechanic or talk to somebody who drives these cars all the time on the track before you go out and race them. Because it's like this. If you have a modified car and you're going out to Mexico all the time, you should probably increase the frequency of your oil changes, right? Your transmission, this is a hard rule that I'm going to stick to from this point on. Your transmission, you should change the fluids in your transmission every 4,000 miles religiously. You know, I think that may have been one of my big issues, because these are things that, oh man, I'm getting in my car. I'm going to drive my car away from here. I am so excited about that. It smells good too. Woo. But guys, that's one of the things that I wasn't aware of. You know, I'm not one of those car buffy guys. You know, I left my radar detector. I'm not one of those car techie guys that I'm learning now. You know, I'm becoming one of those gearheads. Slowly but surely, I'm becoming a gearhead, but it's taking some time, and I just learned a whole lot. They just dumped a whole lot of knowledge for me to process and sleep on. And one of the things that I want to do a quick video, because a lot of the guys out there, I'm going to start this car so that it can, I'm going to starve the car so it can run and get cool, because this is ridiculous. Take it out of gear. Oh man, that feels so good. I haven't even started yet. I'm just so excited. I am so pleased with the guys here at Viper Exchange. Guys, like I said, if you've been looking for a dealership that will service your car, if you got a modded car, you just want it serviced, you just want it looked at, I put that stamp of approval on Viper Exchange, because if you got a Dodge, take my foot off the clutch here. Woo, I am so happy to be home. I'm gonna kiss it. But anyway, guys, if you are looking for a dealership and that Ferrari is going, somebody bought it. They have some high-end cars. See, I'm supposed to come back maybe this weekend or as soon as I can and do a nice video like RP Productions did. If you haven't seen his video on Viper Exchange and some of the great cars they have here, they have a lot of exotic cars. They have over a couple of $1 million in cars inside that warehouse over there that they ship across the country. I was told that, you know, they get cars delivered to them from all over the country, because a lot of dealerships, it killed on me there. A lot of dealerships don't have a brain, and they will not work on it now. I need to go get some gas quick. I can't sit here and let it run. So let me go to Walmart and get some gas, because I'm about to run out of gas. Oh man, it's been a while. Do I remember how to drive a manual? I'm gonna put this around my neck really quickly. Let's go get some gas, and then I'll pick up this conversation at Walmart. Woo, man, look, all eyes are on Mr. Uzumaki as I pull this Hellcat out of Tomball Dodge. I can't tell you guys how relieved I am to have this behind me. There's a Walmart that's right down here, and we're gonna go there and get some E85. Oh man, I mean, it just feels good. The clutch feels solid. Everything just feels good. And I'm not just saying that because, oh my God, because I'm finally back in my car. I am so happy to be back in my car, of course. But guys, I gotta just wind the window down so I can hear. So I can just hear. I can just hear it low. Listen to that. Oh my God, that's crazy. That feels good, man. Listen to her low. Oh my God. So guys, right now I'm looking for a discount tire really quickly. I don't have a lot of time because I gotta head out of town. But and it's about 2 o'clock right now. I gotta head to the airport. But I'm looking for a discount tire so that, oh man, there's a GT right there. You see him? He's messing with me. Oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna go down to 4th. This dude kicked up rocks all over my car. He really don't want none. He thinks he wants some, but he really don't want none. Ah, man, I love my car. This is a Hellcat, baby. That's crazy, man. Woo! The Hellcat killing him. Killing him. He gave me 2 thumbs up when he passed by. Yeah, buddy. I think that probably was a stock Mustang. That probably wasn't anything special. That was probably just a stock GT. So it's easy for me to mash on a stock GT, especially when you got the right tires. Even a stock Hellcat can handle the stock GT with no problems. Because when you have those P0s on your car, that's when it's an issue. Because guys, I can tell you, I lined up with a lot of Mustangs before I got my car modded, but I had those P0s on my car. And I can tell you right now, it just didn't work out for me. It didn't work out well for me at all. So I got a lot of tips when I was sitting at Viper Exchange just now. And one of the main tips was the RPMs that I'm shifting at could be causing a problem for me. And I need to just make sure that when I shift, especially like when I'm in upper gears, like 4th, 5th, and 6th, that I monitor where my RPMs are. Yeah, I need to pull over and check my tire just to make sure everything's okay. It's like, it almost feels like one of the lug nuts is loose on one of my tires. I just want to make sure that everything is okay. My car didn't pass inspection. You know, one of the things that I took my car in for over there was an inspection sticker. They can do inspections really cheap over at Viper Exchange. And because I had just had so much work done to it, and they had to take the battery out, it didn't pass. And, you know, these cars, once you pull the battery out, the CPU has to reset or something like that, and it didn't pass inspection. So when I come back from New York, I have to take my car back over there to have it inspected. And when I do that, I'm going to go back and I'm going to try to get I'll try to do my video, the one that I want to do. We'll go down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull into this complex right here. just need to get out and look at the tires because something weird is going on. There's a lot of vibration. So either I have a very bad tire or one of my lug nuts is loose. Shouldn't be though. My tires haven't been taken off in a while. All the lug nuts are here. So I'm thinking that one of my tires is really bad. And look at that, right here. You can feel it. It's the form right here. Probably from sitting out so long because my car, I haven't had my car. Yeah, look at that. You see it? That's what it is. So I gotta buy 2 new tires when I make it back. Yeah. The same thing is happening over here too. There's a really weird bulge. It's not so bad on this side. The other side you can feel it. There's like a bulge right here. Like the tire is deformed. Yeah, look at my hands. I can't say I don't like to get my hands dirty, but that's crazy. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. When I get back in town, I'm gonna take this car. I'm just gonna leave it at my job. Take my other car to the airport because I had to take an Uber over to pick up the Hellcat. So what I'm gonna do is I need to be monitoring my temperatures too. So engine. So my gas just got on. Okay, temperature and everything's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this car to the office. I'm gonna leave it there, cover it up in the parking garage for a few days, and then when I get back from New York, I'll take one car home, and then come back and get the other car. And what I'll do is when I get the other car, I'll get 2 new tires for the front of this car right here. I don't know what kind of tires I'm gonna get. I really wanted to switch out my front tires to the Contact Series, the Continental Extreme Contact Series tires. But I mean, this is for the front of the car, so it doesn't have to be anything special because for the time being, like it doesn't have to be some crazy expensive tire since it's for the front. So for the time being, I can turn down the AC now. I'll put it on auto. Yeah, buddy, man, that feels so good. I'm glad that, yeah, I just need to be careful. So I'm not gonna do any more racing. No more spirited driving, but that was perfect. The guy, that Mustang GT owner was in the right place at the right time because I can't even show that footage. I didn't have to mash on him. I just gave him a little taste of my little Hellcat, and he was impressed. Like I said, when he passed by me, he gave me 2 thumbs up. So we stayed under the speed limit, and that was awesome in Houston, Texas. No street racing at all. He just wanted to see the Hellcat accelerate. And I was really, 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 really impressed with my little Hellcat. As always, I miss having this much power. Having this much power behind you makes a huge difference. I mean, you feel it. Like, you feel it, man. Anyway, I have to be careful because of the simple fact that you guys can see my dashboard. It's like I have to be really careful what I post now, because with this camera right here, you can see the dash. It's not just looking at the screen or somebody on side of me or whatever. Got it in neutral. It's just crazy how we have to be so conscious about what we post, but you know, yeah. We'll pick this up when I get to New York. I'm headed to the airport right now. I'm just gonna put it on the little lifestyle vlog mode this camera has, so it'll just pick up pictures. And we're gonna take it real easy to the office because I want to make some more videos out at Viper Exchange. So boy, listen to my baby. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful night, whatever it is, wherever you are. My day is just basically getting started now that I got this done. And I am so happy to have my car back. Like I said, for basic service stuff, that could have been really expensive for me, to be honest with you. But because I took it to a dealership and I know I have that peace of mind now that my car is in great shape. Because there was some stuff that was wrong with the car, for real. So I just don't know. I just have to be very, very careful with what I do moving forward. And yeah, I'm happy I got it back. So